Hi, my name is Dhaval Parmar, and today I'm going to talk about introduction of probability. So we will go into topics such as history of probability, what is probability, few examples of probability, basic terminology, real life examples, and applications. So first of all, history of probability. So the concept of probability has its roots in the 17th century when mathematicians like Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat were trying to solve problems related to gambling. They developed the foundation of probability theory, which later evolved into the more formalized field we know today. Their work laid the groundwork for understanding uncertainty, which is at the heart of probability. Now, what is probability? Probability is a branch of mathematics concerned with quantifying uncertainty. It measures how likely an event is to occur, assigning it a value between 0 and 1. 0 means the event is impossible, 1 means the event is certain. Values between 0 and 1 indicate varying degree of likelihood. Now we will go in the formula of a probability. So the probability of an event is calculated by dividing the number of favorable outcomes by the total number of possible outcomes. Probability is used to predict the outcomes for the tossing of coins, rolling of dice, or drawing a card from a pack of playing cards. Now we will go to in a different examples. The first example we can see on the left side we have a flying tiger. Now, while that might look fun, the probability of seeing a real tiger with wings is exactly zero. That's what we call an impossible event. On the right, we see a regular six-sided die. If you roll it, you are guaranteed to land on a natural number 1 to 6. So the probability of getting a natural number is 1 or certain. Uh, the another example is uh, like we are seeing a fair six-sided die. The die has six faces numbered from 1 to 6. So each outcome is equally likely. So the possibilities are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If we want to probability of rolling a 4, it's just one favorable outcome out of 6. So 1 by 6. Now, if we want the probability of rolling an odd number, we look at 1, 3, 5. There are three outcomes of the 6, so 3 by 6. So the probability of getting an odd number is 3 over 6, which simplifies 1 and half. Now let's look at a real world application of probability using weather condition. Suppose we want to find the probability that it will rain tomorrow. Uh, Based on meteorological data like humidity, pressure, and temperature, we estimate the probability of rain as P in the bracket rain tomorrow equal to 0.70 or 70%. Now let's consider conditional probability. This is when we already know some information. In this case, that it will be cloudy tomorrow. The probability of rain given that it's cloudy is probability P rain by oblique cloudy equal to zero point 0.8, and that means if it's cloudy, there is a higher chance of rain. And if we look at the complementary event, which is the probability that it does not rain, since the probability of rain is zero point 0.7, the complementary probability is P no rain is like 0.3 or 30%. Now we will go to different applications of probability, such as we see in weather forecasting. Then there is a medical diagnosis, where a doctor use probability to assess the chances of patient having disease based on symptoms and test results. And there is a transportation and traffic planning. In this sector, it helps to estimate congestion and optimize routes. In epidemiology, probability helps track how disease spread and where outbreak might occur. And in a risk management and in project planning, financial investment and quality control are like a different sector where probability is useful. Now we will see different applications of probability in data science, such as in machine learning or risk assessment, anomaly detection. So these are like used for a critical task. In short, probability shows allows us to quantify uncertain and make informed decision in uncertain environment. It gives us tools to predict outcomes, whether we are deciding whether to carry an umbrella or analyzing the risk in the financial portfolio.